Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Making myself a quick little try here. It is 9:15 on Wednesday, and yeah, I actually think that's Monday for you guys, so happy Monday. Actually, I'm gonna bring you over here while I do some dishes. So today is about to be a sort of busy day. I'm currently waiting for Tara to text me back. I texted her about an hour ago and she hasn't gotten back to me yet. But I'll follow up in a second if she doesn't, because me and Tara and Simon are all going into downtown today. Connor's meeting us later once he gets back in town. We are going to see a Raptors game tonight. Raptors versus Clippers. Raptors are on a big run right now, so that should be pretty fun. Hopefully they win. The last Raptors game that Connor and I went to, they lost, so hopefully they win this time. I know Tara had originally said that she wanted to go into downtown early, so I'm trying to get an answer from her on that. That way I can figure out sort of what my day will look like here, how much time I have. Yeah, and then Connor lands later this evening. Not exactly sure what time. He may be a little late getting to the game, but yeah, he'll be coming from San Francisco and straight to the Raptors game. It has been such a busy time here, you guys, and seriously, it's only getting busier. It feels I have way too many social plans this week, that's for sure. I need to start practicing saying no a little bit more often. Definitely going to be doing that from here on out, but I've already committed to stuff for this week, so you know, what's a girl to do? Just cleaning up from dinner last night, because I was so tired last night, and just, I could not do it. Feeling so lazy. Yeah, so let me give you the lowdown. Today, as I said, we sort of have this downtown day going. Tomorrow's St. Patty's Day. I'm sort of hoping that I can like bow out of that and that we don't do anything. Then Friday night, Connor's friends from Toronto actually get in town. They're staying with us for the weekend, and then they have an Airbnb for the rest of the time that they're here, but that's obviously gonna be super busy. They get in late on Friday, so that's going to be a very chill night and also going to be needed because Connor and I have to clean this whole place and get it ready for like guests to stay here. We've actually never had people stay with us before, so I feel like there's a lot to do. We gotta make sure that we have sheets for the blow up mattress, which I don't think we do. You know, make sure towels are clean, bathrooms are clean, the whole place is clean so that we look like real adults. We have been so busy lately, there just hasn't been a good opportunity to get a good clean in, and our place just really needs it. So this is gonna be the excuse to finally get it done, which is fine. Yeah, but then we're with them all weekend long. More than likely won't be vlogging any of that. And then next week is a sort of short week for me because my mom and I are going on a girls trip together, which is gonna be really, really fun. Planning on vlogging that. I think there'll just be like one vlog from the whole long weekend. Some good mother-daughter time. It's gonna be really fun. Yeah, so like there's a lot to do to prep for taking time off. Also a lot to do, like personally I have to, you know, get stuff done around the apartment. I also really need to go to the DMV. So I'm just a little bit stressed, you guys, about how I'm going to get everything that I need to get done. But it has to happen, you know? Let's go get to work, because it looks like Tara does want to go a little early, so we gotta get some ish done here. Let's go. Well, it is 11 a.m. I'm just about to hop into some editing, but I've just been sitting here planning out my Patreon for April, and I really want to talk to you guys about it in case you're not already involved in my Patreon and don't sort of know what's going on there, because we have a lot of really exciting stuff. I feel like I may have already touched on this in a different video, but I can't totally remember, so just in case I didn't, I thought that it would be a really fun change for April on my Patreon to do like a themed month instead of just posts that help you with your business. April is going to be portfolio month on my Patreon. The idea there being that every single post that goes up is going to be about creating a portfolio. We're all going to be able to go through the process together throughout the month, and the idea is by the end of the month, everyone has a brand new fresh portfolio that's ready to go to start sharing with potential clients, anyone who need to share a portfolio with. Really, really excited about this idea. We're also going to be doing a like live event, which will be really fun, where we can all go on at the end of the month, show our portfolios, share like last, you know, little tweaks and feedback of things that people can change. So that will be really great. Overall, I'm just very, very excited about this idea. It sort of just came to me and I was like, this is brilliant. I want to do, you know, more themed months like this. like maybe we'll do a website month later in the year where we can all sort of redo our website together or something like that. So I'm just super, super excited about this idea, and I just wanted to let you guys know about that in case that's something they're interested in. We're going to be going over sort of creative portfolios. As always, there will be an emphasis on social media marketers because that's my expertise, but definitely there will be value there for any sort of creative freelancer, creative contractor to learn a little bit more about how to create a portfolio. So definitely come through. But I do want to put an emphasis on the social media marketing stuff just because, you know, it's a little bit more straightforward when you're a photographer, how to create a portfolio. You share the photos, you know? As a social media marketer, it's a little bit more complicated because you have to get a lot more into like your mindset versus just being able to like show a photo, because a lot of the times I'm not even taking the photos for my clients' social media, so that's not really what I'm trying to showcase necessarily. Instead, I need to showcase what my mindset was behind the caption, what the strategy was with the brand, stuff like that. So we're going to be getting into all of that. Very excited about this idea. So even if you just want to come and join for a month, you can absolutely do that. There's no, you know, requirements of time that you have to spend on the Patreon, but I think it is a great opportunity right now to come in and even just spend a month with us and, you know, learn a little bit more about how to create and build a portfolio. And that's my spiel. So yeah, I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to spend a little bit of time working on some editing here. I'll probably just get a rough edit of a video done, and then we need to eat and get ready and get out of the house. We are heading into downtown around 1:30ish, and it's 11, so gotta get to it. Just made myself a really quick sandwich for lunch. That way we can sort of get it out of the way. I got like a solid 80% through that vlog I was editing, not all the way, but I want to just eat and get ready and then see how much time I have where I can go back and finish things. But just figured, let's get some of this other stuff out of the way so that I don't need to worry too much about it. By the way, I'm using that cheesy focaccia bread for my sandwich today that we got from Trader Joe's. If you missed that vlog a couple days ago, go check it out. It's like last Wednesday, I think, but so good, you guys. It is total game changer. I have to tell you guys, the past week and a half, I have just not felt like myself. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm just so like quickly irritable, so reactionary, which is not really my usual. Feeling very unmotivated, very, very tired. I don't know, like, it's just not me, and it has not been feeling good. At this point, I'm sort of like chalking it up to PMS. I don't usually PMS very badly, to be honest. Usually it's pretty chill all in all, but I don't know, it just was so bad. Like all last week, I was just like, as I said, easily irritable and also just like a little down. I don't know why. Like I just kept telling Connor that I was just feeling down. Honestly, like all weekend I was feeling better. And then yesterday I just started feeling really like shitty again. Yeah, I don't know, but this funk is just, it's getting old. I think I'm really run down. Just not prioritizing myself enough and making sure that I have the time I need to, I don't know, just decompress a little, have a moment to, you know, breathe and relax, you know. Even yesterday when I had, you know, the whole night to myself because Connor's traveling, I didn't even like sit down on the couch until 8 p.m. because I was just doing other things. And I just think that maybe that's part of it. I don't know. I'm trying to get to the bottom of what is going on with me because it's not fun not feeling like yourself, obviously. It's a funk that I can't get out of for some reason yet. But as I said, I'm hoping that maybe it was like the PMSing as well, in which case I can, you know, hopefully that goes away very soon because the PMS should be coming to an end. Ugh, I hate this feeling though. I just hate this feeling of being off. It's not good. It's not me. Like, I just don't feel like this very often. And so when I go through these spells, which happens occasionally, I just am not feeling like myself. It can be difficult. Okay, my Uber is almost here, and then we are heading over to Tara's. I'm wearing literally like the most basic outfit of all time. Just my Converse, white tank top and jeans, bringing my very cool Raptors sweatshirt. If you missed my last vlog where I went thrifting, you may not have seen it, but there you go. You will see it today. And yeah, we are heading over to Tara's now.
Okay, Simon, you want to make a toast because you're so good at them?
You're looking to make toast? Okay.
Every day. I got toast every day.
Look at what Simon's letting me use. His favorite shot glass.
The knockers.
The knockers.
God loves some big knockers. Here's to my day with the girls.
Yeah.
Cheers to your first Raptors game.
Yeah.
On showing up fashionably late.
Yeah.
With the rowdy Canadian energy.
Okay. I love ginger beer.
Do you like that one? That's kind of just meh.
This?
Yeah, right?
Not good.
Yeah, agreed.
Last time going up the stairs.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. house. Oh my god, I'm just thinking about my first time coming in here and like.
I remember vividly.
Me too, so clearly. Wow, weird. It's just empty. Wow.
I feel a lot of ways about it.
What a time, I bet.
You want to do a toast?
Cheers to limes. Cheers to you ladies aging like fine wine. And here's to the two perfect dons.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Jordan, I call him upstairs because wondering if there's an extra martini.
I couldn't do it all.
Jordan, the martini.
Yeah, basically. I did struggle though, getting it all down. Maybe just putting lemon in your mouth. Isn't that cooler?
Yeah, he's downstairs.
Smile. The walk smile.
Yeah, right?
Right.
Cheers, friends. It's so windy. Oh my god. Take 3.
Oh, that's so good, Jill. You're that. Oh,
We'll try.
All over the phone. Yeah.
It's like the best espresso martini.
Chocolate milk.
Right?
It's amazing. Okay, dinner at Yard House. I got some garlic noodles. We have some other yummy dishes here. I just finished an espresso martini. And I think I'm gonna re-up. One more. One more on the books.
I'll do the same.
Raps are up 10. Let's go, boys.
You want it?
Yeah, next to Tara. Thank you. I'm the only one here in Raptors gear. I'm the biggest Raptors fan.
Wow. That's pretty rude of you to say, considering you know the circumstances. I know. Good job.
Let's go, boys! Okay, here we go. 2, 1. Yeah! Let's go, Raps! Hello, friends. It's the next day, and it is 1:30 p.m. It has been a start to the day. Let me tell you. Exhausted. We just did not get enough sleep, and as I said, I just have been so run down, way too much going on, and I feel like my body all morning was just rebelling against me, being like, you need to stop, which I definitely do. But it's still been a good start to the day. Got a video done for tomorrow, thumbnail taken care of. I'm gonna work on the description of that next, I think. And then I gotta figure out what else I'm gonna get done today. I also already got my workout in, so that's good. But I'm feeling so lazy. So literally for lunch, I had some leftover popcorn, and now I'm having a piece of toast with this cream cheese. And I actually haven't tried this before, so I wanted to try it with you guys. It's 100% plant-based onion chive cream cheese made from hemp seeds from a company called Grounded Foods, and I'm really excited to try it. I tried one of their other cheese sauces before, and it was so good, so cheesy. One of the best vegan cheeses I've tried, so very excited about this. But let's try a bite. That is so yummy. Their cheese products, so good. So So I'm just gonna vlog a bit today, I think. I'm pretty tired. It's actually St. Patty's Day, but I don't think Connor and I are even gonna go out. We're so tired. And we actually have a lot to do with his friends coming into town, so I think we want to try to split that up between today and tomorrow. That way we don't have to do it all at once. We gotta get this place in tip-top shape. Hello guys, it has been a long time since I've checked in with you. Sorry about that. Sort of forgot that I was vlogging today, but you didn't miss much. After I spoke to you, Connor and I went for a walk, and then we came back and played some It Takes Two for a little while, which was really fun.
Very fun.
And now we are getting started on dinner. We're making this little TikTok recipe that I found that looks really good. TikTok never disappoints with their recipes. So
Shrimp good.
very
Pasta
excited.
good.
Exactly. Okay, right in here we have boursin, we have onion, garlic, white wine, lemon juice, shrimp, chili powder, and now our pasta is going in. We're just using a Bonza pasta.
Oh yeah.
Looking good. Oh, and now here comes the fun part where we mix. Oh, look at the boursin just dissolved. Oh my gosh. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this.
Wow, that's looking amazing.
See that? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of pasta water in there. Love it.
Hot damn.
Hot damn. You wanna try?
Yeah.
I'll try the focus.
You like it?
Oh, it is good. It got a good little bite to it. I know it is hot. So yummy. Okay, here's the finished product. Connor added some cherry tomatoes into his, which are looking so good in there. I just kept mine as is. We put some more Parmesan on there because there's never enough cheese. I am so excited.
Ready to dive in.
Yeah, what are we gonna watch?
Wanna watch Our Flag Means Death?
Death? Yeah, I am down. Oh, look, that's that Jake Johnson one that I want to watch as well.
Nice.
HBO's coming out with some good stuff right now.
Yeah, I'm liking it.
Me too. Just popping in to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry, I sort of like forgot that I was vlogging a little bit today and totally just got a couple little extra clips, but I figure whatever, I might as well throw them in anyway. Our neighbors, the like guys who live next door to us, are throwing such a big St. Patty's Day party right now. Their music is bumping. So I'm not even gonna go straight to bed right now, but I just thought I would come in the bedroom where it is the most quiet, although I can still hear their music. Very intense. It's a very intense playlist, but it's fine. We try to like not, well, we really won't like complain to our neighbors or anything about stuff because we, I'm sure, make noise sometimes as well. And so we don't want to complain to them so that they don't complain to us. But this is definitely a very intense one. They have not thrown a party like this in a while. Boys turned up for St. Patty's Day. I think I'm just going to lay in here and read my book a little bit, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you in my next one.